Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Hot Flash and Wrinkles Makeup Monday, and we are going to be testing out two things. I have got the Estee Lauder Double Wear Instant Fix Concealer. And it has a concealer at one end and then a hydration thing. So, see, it's got two ends. And this one, you put this one on first, and this is like hydrates you. And then you go back in with the concealer so that it doesn't get too dry. So we're going to try this out because I love the Double Wear. So, oh, I've already primed my face, and I used the Cover FX blurring primer. I just have a little sample of it, so I thought, what the heck, we'll try this. And it says that it is vegan, and I just read this 2 seconds ago. Probably need glasses. And I know my hair is going to be in my face, but it's wet, so it needs to dry. Clinically tested vegan, free of parabens, fragrance, gluten, mineral oil, and talc. So that's all good. I normally don't really care that much about blurring primers because they just never seem to work for me. My wrinkles aren't fine lines. Mine are real lines. But this one seems okay. We'll see. So we're going to try that primer, and then we're going to be trying the Mercier Flawless Lumie're Radiance-Perfecting Foundation. Oh, my color in the concealer was light neutral. Yep, light neutral. And my color in this is Cashew. Flawless Lumie're Radiance-Perfecting Foundation delivers a perfectly luminous finish that looks flawless in any light. The weightless, medium to full coverage formula looks and feels like a second skin, improves skin's natural luminosity over time for lasting radiance, hydrates, visibly smooths, and softens skin, provides 15 hours of moisturization. Sounds good. So now I just need to find out how much it costs. I think it was like $56 or $52 maybe. I don't remember. And I have my receipt right here, but it doesn't say on it because I ordered it in the mail. And then I just got this at Ulta, and I don't know how much it was either. But I'll check and find out. So, let's get started. Like I said, I have already... oh, I forgot to get a sponge. Okay, guys, I am back. I have my wet beauty blender. I couldn't take my hair falling in my face, so I put it in this pony-o thing, hoping maybe it wouldn't make quite as bad of a lump. I don't care if it does. If it does, though, then I'll be wearing my hair in a ponytail for a while. So, let's get started. I'm going to start with 2 pumps, because it's tiny, tiny little pumps. And I'm probably going to need even more. It feels like I'm going to need more. Yep. I can tell already that is not enough because it said medium to full coverage. And didn't say you only need 1 pump though. That was just me being silly. So let's get a couple more pumps. See how small the pumps are? See if we can get that spot covered up. I don't know, it doesn't seem very luminous. I think that must be just my skin because it seems like whenever I put on a luminous one, it's not very luminous. It's kind of cakey. looking. Better go in with the sponge. All right, let's go in with the sponge. See if we can keep the coverage and lose the cakiness. Dang it, I don't know why these luminous ones go cakey on me. You'd think that it's supposed to be like hydrating. Maybe I just put too much on. Maybe toning it down with the sponge will thin it out to where it won't do that. But then it's definitely not medium to full coverage. Alright, well, I'm not loving this foundation. Dang it. I was hoping this would be the one. Because I really haven't found, other than the Re-Energy, whoops, it's over there, from Lancome. I like it a lot, but it's very thin, very not full coverage. Neither is this one, though, because I can still see my spot. And this one is looking a little cakey. And it's not covering. Dang it. It's not worth $52. At least, I shouldn't say that because we have to give it some time. Okay, let's do the concealer. I'm just going to put some of this under here where it tends to get dry. And then I'm going to spread it out with my sponge. Oh, I could have used my finger. I forgot. I have short nails right now. I'm kind of liking these short nails. I don't like the way they look. But I like the way they look better than no nails. But I like my long nails better. Now I'm going to go in with the concealer. And it's a doe foot. It was a little brush on that. And this is a doe foot. I'm going to put some right there, there, there. Oh, and there, and there. Well, it's definitely not, it's full coverage. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's not looking good. Maybe it's because I have that foundation on my sponge. I don't know. This is turning out to be a hot mess. And I thought these products were going to be, you know, I was pretty confident that it would give me a great look. I don't know why. I've never had a Laura Geller foundation. Oh, this is Laura Mercier foundation, and I have. I love the Flawless Fusion. And I just thought this would be a little bit brighter. But cakey's what I'm seeing. Maybe once it settles down. I hope. Because right now, it's looking cakey to me, and it's not covering. The cakiness is getting better. I just don't really get why it was cakey. I put all that moisturizer stuff underneath. I have a sparkle on me right there. Yeah, the cakiness is getting better. So it just needed to meld into my skin, I guess. Although it's still very cakey right there. I don't know. I'm disappointed. Let's go ahead and powder this. I'm going to use my IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye. Actually, it's Bye Bye Pores. Yeah, and this concealer is just not getting it. It's definitely not as good as the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. It's just very, it's kind of sheer is what it is. I want my everything covered. When I get done putting on concealer, I need to be concealed. This is my Laura Mercier translucent powder that I'm going to use for the rest of my face. I still don't really understand how hydrating, luminous foundations can be so dry or so drying. That's what I feel like they are. Every time I try one, think, okay, this is going to be glowy, so it's going to be nice and hydrating. And this even says it's hydrating, but it's not. It's very dry. And if you're the type of person that can get away without powdering, don't, if you like this. I have to powder, and so far, I don't like this. I don't like either one of them. My under eyes look really, really dry. And so does the rest of my face. Actually, my under eyes look even drier than the rest of my face. Anyways, I'm not going anywhere, so I don't care. But I do want you guys to know, I don't know about this. I'm going to wear it all day and see if it gets better. And plus, we're going to spray it when I'm all done. So I'm going to go off camera and finish the rest of my makeup, and I will be back. But at this point, I'm not liking it so much. So I'll be back. Okay, guys, I'm back. I have to tell you that right now, I hate it. Both of them. This eye looks so dry and crusty. I'm glad I'm not going anywhere. But even the rest of my face, my cheeks, they just look cakey. For a hydrating primer, I don't think so. I will wear it till the end of the day and let you know what if hot flashes help. Maybe hot flashes will help. They'll moisturize it and make it not so cakey, but they've never done that in the past, so I wouldn't hold my breath for it. Anyways, I'll be back at the end of the day to let you know how it did, but right now, I hate it. Just saying. Okay, guys, I am back. It is the end of the day. I'm loving the eyeshadow, but not so much on this. I have some mascara flakes because I keep having dog hair all over me. Anyways, I'm not loving this foundation. This is the Laura Mercier Flawless Lumie're foundation. And it looks so dry, especially, and then, oh, and we also tried the, so it is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Hydra Prep. Something concealer, 24-hour concealer. Hydra Prep at one end, 24-hour concealer at the other. I do not like either of these. My under eyes are so dry. I mean, this is worse than wearing Shape Tape. And Shape Tape's drying, but this stuff, I don't know. It doesn't have the coverage at all. And right here, I almost look like I'm peeling. It's so dry. So this is a no, 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 no. This one, it really didn't get any worse. But it just kind of looks, it's not huge cakey, but it just clung to dry patches. Patches that I didn't even know were dry. Up here, it's really dry. And then right in here, and just all out here, it looks dry. It's not cakey as much, just a little bit cakey, but mostly it's just really dry. So I'm giving this one a thumbs down too. And I don't think there's any glow. Well, maybe there's a little glow. I like the glow. You guys did that to me. I used to want all matte all the time. Now I like a little bit of glow. So anyways, that's it for this video. These two things are a no-go this time, but we are going to find a great glowy foundation, a drugstore one. That's what I'm looking for. I have a good, this one. This is my good luminous Re-Energy Lift makeup. I like this. It doesn't have a lot of glow to it, but it's definitely not a matte. But it's really, really sheer, so I have to mix one of my good ones, matte ones. I mix the Glamouflage from Hard Candy. That's a $6 one. I mix the HD Liquid Coverage from Catrice. That's a matte one. Either one of those mixed in with it, it looks beautiful. Also, the Lancome Tint Idol. That one looked really good with it too, but those two are, this one is expensive, so to put the Tint Idol, to have to mix it with that, that's a lot, because the Tint Idol is expensive too, where at least with the Glamouflage it's only $6, and the HD Liquid Coverage is only $10. And there's probably other ones. The LA Girl Pro Matte, that one's really good too. I don't think I've tried that one mixed in with it yet, just because I don't get that many opportunities to wear something that's not new. But I did wear it the other day, and I mixed it with the Tint Idol, and that was good too. But I don't really think it was better than when I mixed it with the Hard Candy. So anyways, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Share this on all your social media. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!